Labadiena! It's quite a late Sunday evening. I was doing computer work almost whole day and I have a couple of hours to spare, so I thought, why not to do something more active? I've glued these panels lately. These will become shelves of the credenza, so it's about time to even these out. Finally, I have all of these dividing panels prepared, and now all that's left to do is lay out the locations for the domino holes. I ran into a bit of a limitation of this domino machine. You see, it doesn't allow this rest bed to go any closer to the router bit, and that makes these slots to be offsetted from the center. And it was quite beneficial for these end boards because it moved these slots from the edge, and I think this makes a bit of a stronger joint. But for these dividing panels, I would like those slots to be exactly in the middle, like this one. So I was looking for the perfect thickness to offset, to add on the rest bed, and I found this plexiglass to work just fine. So I'm gonna stick it on this flat surface, and I should end up with this slot looking like this. So far so good. I also forgot to mention that when I was gluing up this bottom panel, I made sure to make the joints under the dividers, so after the cabinet will be assembled, no joints would be usable. And it seems to work. It's ever so slightly off, but those panels will cover these joints. I'm almost ready for the glue up, but first of all I have to create the holes for the adjustable shelves. And just to keep the hole alignment consistent, I will make a really simple jig. Unfortunately, CA glue doesn't stick to this plastic, so I'm gonna just chop it at the right length. I just realized that I no longer need this template because this panel became even a better jig. I decided to glue this long cabinet in stages because it's way less stress and it's less of a messy glue up. So the first stage is done. I will let it set, and in the meantime I can do one more filling on the shelf panels. Just before gluing the back panel, I had to make some adjustments because this cabinet was a bit wonky. So I shimmed it here and there, I added some weights, and now it's relatively straight. It's less than a millimeter of inconsistency. So yeah, let's glue that back panel, and that should tie everything together. Just look at it. Book matching never gets old. And most of these dividing panels are also book matched. I'm so thrilled about it. It looks marvelous. I think I'm gonna wrap it here. In the next video, hopefully I will put the doors together and this long cabinet will be finished. Sincerely thank you for being with me, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye!